Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to add a fade effect into your videos right from your smartphone. In CapCut, it is a very easy process, so I'll show you how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you've already downloaded the CapCut app on your phone. Once you download it, launch the app on your phone. Once you're in the app, tap on the New Project button. Here you can select any videos that you want to edit from your gallery. Tap on Add. Now your video is imported to the CapCut project. You can see the video in the timeline below. Once you tap on the video, here you can see different menu options. You'll see animations option over here. Tap on it. Now in order to add the fade in the in section, you can find fade in. Here you can see fade in. Tap on it. And below that, you can choose the intensity and speed of the fade in. You can select according to your needs. Once you're satisfied, tap on the check mark. If you play it, you can see the fade in.
Hello everyone.
Now in order to add the fade out, you need to repeat the same process. You can choose the timestamp where you want to start your fade out. Select that time and then again go to the animation section. Now here you can see out section, so tap on out. Now search for fade out. Here you can see fade out option, tap on it. And below that, in the right hand side, you can choose the timestamp for the fade out. You can make it the same timing of the fade in. If you're satisfied with it, tap on the check mark. And now you can preview your output. Tap on the play button.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to...
After you are happy with the result, you can export the video and save it to your device. Here you can see the export icon at the top right corner. Tap on it to export it. And that's it. You've successfully added a fade effect to your video using CapCut app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.